Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can find this app data folder on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. See here, currently I am on app data and this is the roaming folder where you will find internal folders for each installed program on your computer. So how did I go through this one? On this PC, I usually go through C, then users, then my personal account, and here you will see something like app data and roaming. This is because I know the perfect path on my computer previously, so it is easy to navigate. But in your case, this may not be the exact path where your app data is located. Usually it will be located there, but with a shortcut you can actually get to know where does this app data folder is available on your Windows. So for that you need to click on Windows logo key with the combination of R. This will open the run command here. So on the run command you need to type something like percentage app data percentage and then hit enter. See, it will directly get this folder for you, and this is the app data, right? So roaming, say for example if your app is crashing or if you want to clear the app data for any reason, I don't know the exact reason, but for any reason if you want to clear or delete or whatever it may be, see, say for example this program I uninstalled on my computer but it still has its folder remain, so I just deleted that because I no longer want that folder to be present on my computer. So in this way you can actually find app data folder on Windows 10 or 11. If you feel this video is helpful, please do it a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.